Picture this. You're sitting on the edge of a towering cliff, looking into the seemingly infinite abyss. It's intimidating, nerve-wracking, and perhaps even a little bit, a lot bit scary. That's exactly where you stand when the future of your marriage hangs in the balance. But let me remind you, I'm not here to convince you to step back from the precipice and save your marriage. My purpose lies in pulling back the curtain to reveal what's at stake if you don't, and to lead you in the opposite direction so that you can finally experience the joy of a fulfilling married life and romantic love completely and eternally. Navigating the rough patches of a struggling marriage can often feel like a lonely journey, one that challenges your strength and resilience. It's tough and it's exhausting, but it's also a validating journey of growth. It's a journey that emboldens you, empowers you, and tests your limits by relying solely on the mindset you choose to adopt. The first thing at stake is the shared history you've woven together as a couple. Like a hardy vine that's twisted itself around an old oak tree, your collective memories have grown together over time. They've given life to your relationship, nourished it, and held strong even in the fiercest of storms. Each memory is a testament to your tenacity and resilience. You've invested precious time, energy, and resources into your relationship. You've nurtured it, fought for it, and through it all, you've grown as an individual and as a partner. Leaving your marriage would mean letting go of a significant portion of the life you created. And just to be clear, remaining where you are, upset, overwhelmed, stressed, lonely, results in the same fate as it serves no one. You see, a marriage is more than just an agreement between two people. It's a reminder of a shared vision, a mutual dream. And letting go of your marriage, although it may seem like a new path towards happiness, can eventually feel like you've given up on those big dreams and ambitions, even if you don't feel that way right now. Because lastly, and perhaps most importantly at stake, is the fate of your emotional well-being. Feelings of loss, guilt, regret, and loneliness often follow in the wake of a dissolved marriage. And let me be the first to tell you that the resilience required to face these emotions head-on is not to be underestimated. Now again, let's be very clear here. This is not a call to stay in a destructive or harmful marriage. Rather, it is a plea to consider the worth of what might be lost, to give it your all, and to fight for it, not because anyone tells you to, but because you understand the true value of what your marriage means to you. In the end, the decision is yours. You have the power to choose, to decide the fate of your marriage. And remember, every choice carries weight. You're not just deciding for the present, but for your future as well. So, as you sit on the edge of that cliff, I urge you to remember what's really at stake. Because it's not just about saving your marriage, it's about preserving your shared history, your growth, your dreams, your emotional well-being, and the future you have yet to create together. In the grand scheme of things, aren't these worth fighting for? Are you ready to fight for your marriage? Thanks for listening. I'm Mimi Negron, the Marriage Muscle Coach, and this is where strength begins. See you in the next video.